I'd like to demonstrate what appears to be a very straight-ahead bug in the appears to be in the reporting engine. The application collects a personal history statement from a person. It asks them about their employer history, so they fill out an employer object for every employer that they've had. The employer object has an attribute called current employer. It's a yes/no attribute, and in the report we want to sort on that attribute so that all current employers are sorted first and anything else comes after that in a subsort. So when I do that, what I find is that the report engine does not respect the sort. On the report, I use a sub-report, so I have a very large report, and one of the components of the report is a sub-report that lists all of the employment history data. And the sort on it here, we have the employer object, and then for sorting we have the current employer, which is the aforementioned attribute, and in descending order, although it doesn't matter, it's not respecting the sort, but I would put it in descending order so that yeses are first. So that's what it looks like in the report designer, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the report itself when the report is generated. So we come into the report, and then we get into the sub-report area right here, where now we are reiterating the employer objects one after another. And as you can see, sorry for the scroll, as you can see, the current employer attribute is right here. Again, sorry for the scroll. I'm going as slowly as I can. So it's starting with a no, and then the next item's a no, and then the next item's a yes right here, and then the next item's a no, and that's that. And so you can see it has not put these in any order at all with respect to the current employer. So I can only surmise that it is completely disregarding the sort. Maybe it can't sort a yes/no object. Maybe it can't sort in the sub-report. I don't know. I just know that I've configured the report very normally using just normal techniques, and I'm not getting the sorting that I would like to get. So that demonstrates the problem. I really hope no one wants a BSV on this because it's time consuming to do that. But this is pretty simply demonstrated that the sort criteria is not being met. If anybody has any ideas why or what else I might try, that'd be great. Otherwise, I would ask support to look at it and verify that it's a problem. If anybody is interested in trying to replicate the problem, it's as simple as that. Just throw a yes/no attribute into something and set up your report sort criteria to sort on that value. This is in a sub-report. I just can't imagine that makes any difference, but you never know. So that demonstrates the problem. I hope people will look at it and give me some ideas, or I hope support will consider it as a bug and put it on the bench to be fixed. Thanks.